Hello everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Silvia Espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace the water pump, the one that you see right here. This pump is from 2004, so it's a little bit old and needed to be replaced. We also did this machine a tune-up, replacing the shower screen, the one that you see right here, and the gasket, which was in really bad condition. That is the remains of the gasket. It was extremely hard to remove from the group head. It was really hard to remove from the group head, and yeah, so that's what we did. In resume, we replaced the water pump in 2004. We replaced the gasket and we replaced the shower screen. We also descaled the machine. There was a lot of scale build up. Oh, and I forgot about that. We also replaced the hoses connecting the water pump to the tank and the expansion valve to the tray as well. So yeah, we did a little bit of work with this one. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Hopefully I pick up the right ground sales for this machine, and I actually tamper and put the correct amount of coffee as well. Otherwise we're gonna see drink coffee or coffee barely dripping. Then we're gonna use the hot water, and then we're gonna use the steam. Probably I tampered a bit too hard. As you can see, it's kind of flowing a bit slower. It's gonna be a bit over extracted, so we're gonna make this a 2-ounce shot instead. The machine is able to keep up pretty good. Getting good crema. As you can see, there's no leaks on the porta filter or anything whatsoever. That gasket definitely needs to be replaced. Perfect, 1.5 ounces, which is will be great. And as you can see, it extracted really good the crema. We have a good layer of crema on the shot. It was on the slower side because, like I said, at this time I tampered a bit too hard. Which, give me 1 second. Perfect, now that I remove it, you can see that I put a little bit too much coffee maybe for this. You can see the shower screen over here. Put a little bit too coffee, that's why it was just flowing pretty slow. But as you can see, water flow coming out of the machine extremely well. Really great temperature, excellent shower screen. And hot water, working perfectly fine. Really good flow. And for the steam, now that the machine is full of water, we will not risk of overheating the boiler, and we will not risk damaging the heating element. We can use the steamer now. So let's wait for a bit for the machine to heat up, and then we'll show you the steam. Okay, perfect. Now that the machine is starting to almost be ready with steam, you can see, yeah, perfect. As you can see, see a little bit of pressure building up in the machine. That's why the Rancilio recommends for you to steam your milk and then do the espresso shot, not do it opposite. Otherwise, you're gonna start seeing your espresso shot going a bit bad, and the crema is just gonna start to slowly thin out. This is the previous shot that we did, so this, as you can see, has really good crema, and it's not even coming out or anything. Oh, perfect! Now that the machine is hot, I can show you the steam, and as you can see, steady steam coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine. Really good pressure, excellent temperature. I'm just burning my hand there, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, and Silvia working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.